Hi there, and welcome to Open Dashboard. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to publish a template on Open Dashboard. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Set up your workspace. Head over to opendashboard.app. If you don't already have an account, create one. If you do, simply log in. Inside your workspace, set up the necessary databases, pages, and workflows. You can also add a quick template guide to help people understand how to use it. Step 2. Create your creator account. Go to opendashboard.app creators and log in. Create a new creator account, choose your workspace, and fill in a few additional details. Remember, you must be the owner of the workspace to do this. Step 3. Build your template. From your creator account, click on Create a Template. Choose the pages, databases, and workflows you want to include. Then pick a home page. The page users will see first once they install your template. Follow the prompts, preview your template, and don't forget to take a few screenshots. These will come in handy later, unless you're designing custom images yourself. Next, add your template description, upload your images, and fill in the required fields. When everything looks good, hit Submit. From there, the Open Dashboard team will review your template. Once it's done, you'll get an email with feedback on your submission. And that's it. You've successfully published a template on Open Dashboard. In this part, I'll show you how to update an existing template on Open Dashboard. Let's start with updating the template content. Head over to opendashboard.app, Creators, and log in to your creator account. Select the template you want to update. On the left-hand side, click Release, then New Release. Next, select the databases, pages, and documents you want to include in the update. Just follow the on-screen prompts. When you're ready, click Build Template to generate the updated version. From here, you have two options. Click Submit to Marketplace to send the update for review, or choose Save and Close if you're not ready to submit just yet. Now, let's look at updating the template details. Log in at opendashboard.app Creators and select the template you want to edit. Click Update Details, and here you can modify things like the template name, short and long descriptions, cover images, tags, and even pricing, whether it's free or paid. Once you're done, click Save Changes. A confirmation message will pop up saying, Listing updated. Finally, if you want to submit this version, go to the left-hand menu, click Dashboard, and then select Marketplace Submission, and that's it. You've successfully updated your template, whether it's the content, the details, or both.